Take you to the coast. Police once again raided and forced the closure of 2 container depots associated with Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho barely 2 hours after a court had allowed them to resume operations. The heavily armed security officers said they were under instructions not to allow movement of cargo in or out of the facilities. Francis Ontomwa brings us the details.
A heavy contingent of police officers from the anti-riot unit took control of both the outer port and the portside container stations associated with Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho. Confusion was clear, armed to bar resumption of any operation at the premises. The courts may have made their determination in favor of the business owners, but these officers will not care about that, allegedly acting on orders from above.
There are still further investigations that are to be done, and the fact is the operations stop until the clearance or the further investigations that are being carried on are done.
There was no real confrontation, but these officers stood their ground, claiming they had been instructed to conduct thorough investigation at the 2 depots closed a few days by the Kenya Revenue Authority over claims of handling contraband goods. However, the officers could not elucidate the nature of investigation they had been tasked to undertake.
We don't know how above is above, but I'm operating on instructions, but I'm not going to say to tell you whether from below or above or from side.
Earlier in the day, the freight terminals received court orders to prohibit Kenya Revenue Authority from blocking the customs area.
A very sad day again, because after all the efforts that have been done in terms of the issues that are pending in court, I don't think we have any other problems with the other agencies. But very surprising today, just now as you have seen, riot police have been here with the OCPD port, and they have instructed us to close the CFS on orders from above.
Msambweni lawmaker Suleiman Dori was caught up in the matrix as well, and he may need to wait even longer before getting his cargo.
Njiraini, Chief Generali, Commissioner Generali na Inspector Generali, yeye hana kazi hapa. Hapa hakuna waizi. Sisi wote tumeleta mali yetu kwa njia ya haki. Hatuoni haja polisi waje hapa waanza kuharasu watu.
Workers remain stranded, with some traveling from far distances to resume duties following the successful application in court. And the matter now spins yet another round of storm for a debate that has already heightened political temperatures in the coast region.
Wale viongozi wenzetu ambao tuko katika upinzani, si kazi yetu sisi kulala na serikali kwa kitanda kimoja. Kazi yetu sisi ni kuona ya kwamba ni vipi tutaiangusha serikali kutumia demokrasia.
Owners of the freight stations are alleging ill treatment by state organs. Despite a court order issued today morning, controversies keep spinning around the closure of the 2 freight stations, and now the plot thickens, with the police claiming that they are acting on orders from above. Francis Ontomwa, KTN News, Mombasa.